I believe this is April 8th. Another beautiful day outside. Probably about 75 or so degrees almost. It's a beautiful day out. But anyway, they're in the shop dinking around, goofing around, whatever you want to call it, word it. And just happened to grab a ratchet. And actually I grabbed one the other day, yesterday on the videos part, but been the 7th. But I grabbed this 1/4" drive Craftsman brand ratchet, and the ratchet was hanging up while I go to turn it. Didn't matter which way. It was on the set to loosen or tighten. It was hanging up. So what I ended up doing was I took this internal snap ring out, pulled this plate off, pulled the head stuff out, and then lubricated a little detent, spring load ball detent deal inside here that was hanging up, and that, that's where it'd work. Of course, to lubricate it, use good old-fashioned here water displacement Formula 40, WD-40, for that purpose, and that worked out really well. I grabbed this other ratchet, the Master Mechanic brand ratchet. I think it's a True Value brand. True Value is where you find these usually, but anyway, old cheapy Taiwanese ratchet. Now this is a different version, different style. You got your handle, the internal gears in it, and you got the workings of it. And this is all held in with a snap ring. I don't like these type snap rings. They're a real pain in the butt to get out. You gotta, you get this. I don't know if you can see it in the camera or not, but there's a little thing right there. You can take a straight screwdriver under it, and you can pry it. Let's see. Yeah. Stay. You can pry it out of this groove here on the workings of the ratchet, and just spin it right out, and then this just comes out like this. Now the thing to remember is with this here, that this was what was hanging up. This right here is what does your ratcheting with your ratchet engaging the teeth or gearing here. And this one was working fine going in the tightening direction, but when you could get it to the loosening direction, it'd hang up. So, now I don't know how well it's going to show on camera, but down inside here is just like with the Craftsman brand. There's a little detent ball with a spring, and what is wrong with that is it is hanging up. So we'll take some of this WD-45 or WD-40. Why am I saying 45? It's 40. Let it soak down in there, and just kind of work it a little bit. And then once I get that to where it moves a little more freely. There again, one reason for these things to get like this is lack of use, lack of lubrication, And there again, I'm not using these tools every day. On an everyday basis, I'm not. These tools don't go with me to work. These tools stay strictly here at the house, a little hobby farm. But as I was messing with these, I got thinking, I wonder how many other guys out there just happen to experience this same problem I got here today, where things aren't or do not quite work like they'd hoped. So anyway, on this brand here, this style here of ratchet, got two detents, one on this side, one on this side, and just needs a little bit of lubrication. I know a lot of you guys, rather than messing with it, you're more likely just to grab that wrench and throw it in the trash because it don't work no more. Or if it's lifetime warranty like a Craftsman and Snap-on, some other Matco, dropping names, like I use all those tools. Anyway, just real quick here, you know, a lot of you guys may just throw the damn thing away, or you may take and just go exchange it for another one, which I have done that. This 3/8 drive Craftsman ratchet years ago, it messed up, and rather than trying to figure out what was wrong with it, I went with the lifetime warranty thing. I went and exchanged it, got me another one. Been fine ever since. But now I know that you know, if you guys break out the cheater pipe, you know, you get to where you get a bolt and it's like, well, that's going to come loose more. And then you put a big old long cheater pipe on there. Yeah, you're probably going to end up breaking, if not a tooth in here on this gearing, you're probably going to break this little thing here. So there again, guys, you got to use your head when you're using your tools. And of course, take care of them because they'll take care of you when you need them. But anyway, that being said, let me take a couple minutes to put this back together, which, you know, it's just basically real simple. This drops in. Sure it does. Yeah, give me a minute. Just like that. And then, oh, tool's gonna make a liar out of me. Now there, that'd be for the tightening, I believe. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a little more lubrication work with it, but you get the gist of it. And then once you get that back together, then you work this snap ring back around, back around this, and away you go. Anyway, there's one tippish kind of thing. Use it to your advantage if you want, or not. Can't believe I wasted almost 8 minutes in this conversation, but I'll put it up. What the heck? Anyway, those of you that have subscribed, thank you. I appreciate it. Those of you, the rest of yous, please subscribe. And as for everything else, as usual, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll try to entertain you somehow and get back with you if you do comment. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay safe. Okay guys, I gotta make a quick correction here at the end of this video. I was mistaken, wasn't thinking, talking to my butt. Imagine that. Anyway, a little detail I was telling you about down inside this ratchet head assembly. I think I told you there's 2 of them. I'm wrong. Wrong. Stupidly wrong. There is only one. And it's attached on the shaft that runs through this, and it just goes from one side to the other. That's all it does. So my apologies for leading you wrong on that. Must want to make that clear that, hey, I messed up in my knowledge of this particular ratchet. My bad. Anyway, but I'm big enough I can admit, hey, I made a mistake. It's always part of it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. Please like, rate, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Stay safe. Okay, last time I'll bother you guys. Last time on this video. I got another ratchet. I thought I'd do the same thing to it, because it wasn't geared. These these gears were not engaging with the gearing on this particular ratchet. Now this here is a Great Neck brand. I think those are AutoZone, where you find these tools. But anyway, here's the problem. Got it apart. It's got all these little deviled snap ring deals on it that I hate with a passion. Dislike, hate, however you want to call it. But anyway, I know you probably cannot see it down inside there. That little spring and detent I was telling you about that controls this, keeps it ratcheting back, keeps it pushed out and moving back and forth. It goes through the gears. Well, on this one here, that's gone. So this would be a ratchet that if you had a lifetime warranty, you could take it back and exchange it. Or probably what I'm going to do with it, it's going in a scrap pile. There's nothing I can do with it, and so on and so forth. And the wrench is probably, I don't know how old this thing would probably be, but anyway, that's it. So that's what I'm going to bother you with this segment. I'll try and think of something else to give you here in a little bit. I might get charge my battery up on this thing. Anyway, once again, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Give me the thumbs up. Give me the thumbs down. Either way. Okay. Please comment, rate, subscribe. And once again, I'll talk to you on the next one. Stay safe.